WPF MVVM model. I wanna to create a project, a simple project for this issue. Uh, First one, you have to install package Prism. Uh, I have to right click, and after we have manage new get packages, and here you can search for Prism. Uh, for Prism you have many packages. For example, Prism Unity, Prism MEF, Prism Unity forms. You install Prism Unity. After installing, you have Prism Core, Prism Unity, and Prism WPF. Except this Prism, you need the common service locator to install for this project. Also, after that, we make 3 folders: models, view models, and views in your project. In models, we create one class, one C# class here, named test model. In test model, we have some codes. We have test model class. We wanted to drive from bindable base. Bindable base is in namespace prism.mvvm. After that, we declare a variable underscore message type string private, and for message we define property for setting some things. For example, one string, get return message, and set property ref message value. After creating this class, we create another class named test view model in folder view models. Why we defined 3 folder, and why we define models and view models and views? Actually, we define our data in model. We want to relate to view model, after relate to views. Actually, views abstract from data and model. Views doesn't know about data of model, and view model is interface for model and views. So we define the test view model here. Here you are. Class test view model, derived from bindable base. From which namespace? Yeah, namespace prism.mvvm. Because we wanna to connect relation with model, we need another namespace for model. So in test view model, we define a variable, an instance from test model. it names test model. So in test view model in construction, we define a new test model, and after we initialize a, a string, for example, this is Prism example, to property message of test model instance. We define also test model, type of test model, get and set in this class for view models. This is the same class of setting property as you define in models. After that, in views, we define test view. We create test view XAML. For example, add new item. Here you are, WPF. You define window WPF, and the name is view, test view. So it's ready, and you can see the view of this window view. We have WPF codes here, XAML. Here just we define a label, X name, label message, horizontal alignment left, and we wanted to binding this label with message in which class? Test model, as we has defined here, test model, and mode two-way update source trigger equal property changed, and vertical alignment equal top. Here you are. In coding in C#, we define something here. After initializing component, we define this dot data context equal new test view model. The reason for writing this line is we wanted to binding our label to test model property as we have defined there. So it's necessary you have to define data context to new test view model. Here you are. After that, we define in app XAML here a startup URI equal views slash test view dot XAML, this file. In main window, you don't have change here, and our project is ready to run. It's okay. Yes. Thank you for patience. Bye. to next session.